Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the Python course, and we cover many topics in Python like variables, data types, numbers, strings, slicing in strings. And today's topic is also related to string, but this is a very important topic and which is called modifying, how to modify a string. So there are some methods to modify a string. So let's see, and I click on this, create a new file, modifying strings .py. So first I am creating a new uh, variable which is a string variable, and I name it a is equal to hello world. So this is a string variable. I print this here, and let's see. So it show only hello world. So let's modify this string. The first method we use is upper. I want to write all the words in uppercase. So I click on so I press a dot upper. These are the some functions which help us to modify strings. Upper means when we write upper after the dot, it means apply upper on function on a variable. What are the functions, what are their uses, we will discuss in later videos, but for your understanding, this is the function and which apply on a. So when I click on this, sorry, I have to print. So as you can see, it prints in all capital letters. So the next thing is I want to print it on lowercase. Lowercase means every letter is small. So I write here a dot lower, function close, and as you can see, it prints all the letters in lowercase. After that, if we want to replace something, so let's see, print a dot replace, and I want to replace this first H into K, hello word like. So let's see, as you can see, the word is replaced, hello word. So these are the some function which we use to modify strings. So that's it for today. There are many other functions which we discuss after this basic course, and we will discuss every function of the string. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.